Hello dear students, this is Kanza Salim and today we are going to do a very beautiful chapter from your textbook, The Proposal. The Proposal is a chapter, it's a one-act play, it's just for the entertainment purpose and it displays this proposal is a marriage proposal, as we see that before marriages there are proposals. So in this chapter there is Lemov, and Lemov gives a proposal to his neighbor's daughter, but they end up in argument. So since it's a one-act play, the curtain rises with Lemov entering his neighbor Chubukov's house, fully dressed up in his evening attire. Chubukov is surprised to see him well dressed and asks him the occasion. Lemov reveals that he had come to make a request. Chubukov anticipates that he must have come to ask for money, which he doesn't intend on giving. On being revealed that Lemov had come to ask for Chubukov's daughter Natalia's hand in marriage, Chubukov gets filled with excitement and leaves to call Natalia. Lemov is a 35-year-old gentleman who suffers from palpitation, gets upset very easily and doesn't sleep well. He thinks it is the best age for him to get married, and he is happy that he has his mind made up about Natalia. According to him, Natalia is average looking and a good housekeeper. When Natalia arrives, Lemov begins the conversation about how grateful and glad he is that both their families are on good terms. Since the very beginning, while continuing to talk about his land, he somehow mentions about Oxen Meadows, which earlier was a disputed property but is now his. Natalia couldn't believe a word he was saying because she believes that Oxen Meadows belong to her family. Both of them enter into a heated discussion and act childishly when Chubukov enters just to get the conversation more heated. They shout and scream while Lemov suffers from extreme pounding of the heart, a side pull and a numb foot. They throw Lemov out of the house and continue cursing him. While speaking ill of him, Chubukov unintentionally reveals that he had come with a marriage proposal for Natalia, which surprises Natalia and she immediately regrets sending him out. She tells her father to bring him back immediately, and Chubukov curses himself on being a father of a grown-up daughter. When Lemov returns, Natalia tries to deviate to another topic and starts talking about shooting. Somehow, they enter into an argument involving their dogs. Natalia feels that her squeezer is better than Lemov's guess. They continue arguing when Chubukov enters the scene, only to make the situation worse. Once again, everyone gets hyper and Lemov finally falls due to his palpitations. Even then, the cursing continues when suddenly Natalia notices that he is unconscious. They try to get water down his throat but end up getting unsuccessful and declare him dead. It is only when Lemov moves a little bit. They feed him some water and Chubukov forcefully hands over Natalia's hand to him, gives him blessings and asks them to kiss Lemov. Still not fully conscious, doesn't understand what's going on. When he finally comes to his senses, he expresses his excitement and kisses Natalia's hands. Natalia, being childish as she is, manipulates him into accepting that Squeezer is better than Guess, but Lomov, being adamant as he is, refuses to accept it. Then once again, the quarreling continues. So that's all in today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.